How's it going, everybody? DGZ23 and Bulletproof Bubbles back at you again with some more ceramic coating action. As you see, today we have a beautiful 2023 Corvette C8 Stingray. And man, is this thing amazing. The customer says it was an upgrade to the red Mystic Metallic. What an excellent choice. It was also an excellent choice to go with Duraslick DS1500 3 to 5 year ceramic coating. When I first took a look at the vehicle, I had to ask myself, can we possibly make this thing look better? But through the magic of polishing and the beauty of ceramic coating, we were able to achieve just that. I really like the nice touch with the light interior. Gives a great contrast against the red. But just sit back and enjoy, guys. It's gonna be a fun ride. Wash and decontamination is complete, guys. Really wasn't anything to decontaminate. This thing is too clean. We can move right on into polishing and have some real fun. So let's go. Real quick, guys, I want you to see the difference we're making by looking at these lights. You see over here where we just got through polishing, the lights look really nice and crisp and sharp, and the edges are kind of squared. You can see it more definition. And over here, you see where it's more rounded. It's not as clear exactly what you're looking at, and there's this yellow hue that's kind of around the shine of the light. And you see here, you don't see that yellow hue. Over here, it's kind of cloudy and distorted, and over here is real sharp. That's enough for the night, guys. We'll pick right back up early in the morning. The sun is out, the birds are chirping. Let's get right back to action. Polishing is complete, guys. And man, as you can see, we've taken it up a level already. Believe it or not, when we put this coating on, it's going to go up 2 more levels. Yeah, that's right, 2 more levels. This is one of the biggest differences I've seen yet. Going to start out with this DS1500, 3 to 5 year. Get our applicator saturated. I'm going to split this hood in half. Starting at the top, I like to get a border. This way my arm can freely swing back and forth, not worrying about if I'm catching the edges. Go ahead and take care of my edges first. Then I just go back and forth. Till I get every bit filled in. Then to ensure every spot is covered, come back the other direction. Now that we've got every inch covered, it takes a little while for it to flash. You might can tell that the hood is starting to look a little different. That's the separation of the coating. It's starting to look like a rainbow. I can see that rainbow now. That means it's time to get it up. Once I do that with the first towel, I'll make sure I got all my edges. Then I'll come back with the next towel and do it all over again. Wanted to bring you in a little closer so you can see exactly what it looks like when you lay it down and it starts to flash. It's pretty humid today, so it's not taking no time. Once you see that, you got a minute or two to get it up before it starts getting tacky and you can't get it off. Alright guys, I'm gonna let y'all just check out the rest of this footage and enjoy the show. And it's all wrapped up, guys. Let's do us a quick little first walk around and check out this crystal we've laid on top of this beautiful Corvette. And man, as you see under this tent with this low lighting, this gloss is just killer. Wait till we get it out here in the sun and see what it really looks like. Well guys, it's truly been a pleasure. I really hope you guys enjoyed this show, and I hope the customer enjoys this coating. Unbelievably, we turned this thing into something better than it was when it got here. And you couldn't have told me there was something wrong when it arrived. But now it's protected with the best. Bulletproof Bubbles signing out, guys.